It's always exciting when a new gadget hits the skies, isn't it? Drone enthusiasts know that every release brings fresh features to explore and compare. These flying cameras are more than just tech toys. They're tools for capturing stunning perspectives and unleashing creativity. Today, we're diving into two standout drones, the DJI Flip and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. One is compact, feature-packed, and innovative, while the other offers premium features without cutting corners. Which one is truly awesome? Stick around as we break it all down and help you make the best choice. Let's start with how these two drones look and feel. The DJI Flip stands out with its innovative folding mechanism. Its arms fold in and out with a satisfying snap, and get this, it turns on and off automatically as you fold or unfold it. This makes setup incredibly fast and convenient, especially for users on the move. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro sticks to a more traditional folding design. It's sleek, compact, and fits easily into a small bag or even a large pocket. While it doesn't have the futuristic flip and go feature, it's just as portable and practical. When it comes to portability, both drones score high, but the Flip's unique mechanism gives it an edge in sheer convenience. In the air, the DJI Flip is super intuitive. You can control it using the DJI Fly app, a dedicated controller, or even a button on the drone itself. Features like Spotlight and Active Track make it easy to focus on your subject, while the drone does the hard work of following and framing. Meanwhile, the Mini 4 Pro takes flight performance up a notch. It offers similar flight modes, but includes omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This means it can sense and avoid obstacles from all directions, giving you peace of mind when flying through forests or tight spaces. It's a huge confidence booster, especially for beginners or when flying in tricky environments. For safety and advanced navigation, the Mini 4 Pro has the upper hand. Both drones pack impressive cameras, shooting 4K video with vibrant colors and crisp details. But here's where the Mini 4 Pro pulls ahead. The Mini 4 Pro's camera can rotate vertically for true vertical shooting, perfect for Instagram Reels or TikToks. Plus, these shots maintain full 4K resolution. The Flip also shoots vertically, but it crops the sensor, reducing the resolution to 2.7K. It's still good, but not quite as sharp. The Mini 4 Pro also shines in low light conditions, delivering clearer and more detailed shots. For those prioritizing image quality, the Mini 4 Pro takes the lead. Battery life can make or break your drone experience. The DJI Flip offers about 25 minutes of flight time, which is decent for its size. But the Mini 4 Pro stretches that to 34 minutes. Those extra minutes are a big bonus when you're out capturing the perfect shot. If you value extended flight time, the Mini 4 Pro is the better choice. When it comes to features, both drones deliver. The Flip is beginner-friendly with automated flight modes, while the Mini 4 Pro offers advanced obstacle avoidance and precision tracking. The Mini 4 Pro also handles wind better, maintaining stability in gusty conditions. If you're planning to fly in less than perfect weather, the Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner. Now, let's talk about price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro costs $759, while the DJI Flip comes in at $439. That's a significant difference. For beginners or casual users, the Flip offers incredible value. It's budget-friendly, easy to use, and delivers decent performance. But if you want premium features, like a better camera and advanced safety options, the Mini 4 Pro justifies the higher price tag. So, which one should you buy? It depends on your needs. If you're looking for simplicity, portability, and a fun flying experience, the DJI Flip is a fantastic choice. It's innovative, easy to use, and perfect for casual flying. But if you're after top-notch image quality, advanced safety features, and professional-level performance, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is worth the extra investment. It's a drone that grows with you, offering room to experiment and push your creative limits. Whichever you choose, you're getting a high-quality drone that's ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.